Hi, I'm Joe McAuliffe. I'm here today to talk to you about the TQ3-10 Toaster. This video will be a demonstration of its basic features and cleaning procedures that are needed for this unit. In addition to the great new looks, the TQ3-10 Toaster has several important features. Again, this video is not meant to replace the information found in your owner's manual. This video will be a quick visual overview to get you started by providing a few tips to get the best performance from your new toaster. Before we begin, make sure the outlet you're going to use is the proper voltage and that your amp draw won't trip any GFCIs or breakers. At 1,780 watts, the TQ3-10 will take up almost the entire 15 amp circuit. You'll want to find a dedicated 120 volt, 15 or 20 amp circuit to plug into. Start by removing the unit from the box and installing the Toast Discharge chute. Turn the chute so the lip is facing forward and the tabs are facing down and forward. Insert the chute until the side tabs rest on the pins. You may set the wire feed rack to the upper position for manual feed or the lower position, which allows you to place 2 orders of toast at the same time. Once the toaster has been plugged in, turn on the power rocker switch and press the icon of the double-sided toast until the indicator light above it turns on. Let the unit preheat for about 20 minutes. By utilizing both top and bottom elements, the unit will heat up quicker, even if single-sided toasting is desired. For single-sided toasting, for products like buns, bagels, and English muffins, you may press the top heat only image of the bun, which will turn down the power of the lower elements. Toast these items cut side up. The image of the green leaf is a power save feature, and pressing that image will cause the conveyor to quickly run one length to exit any remaining product and then stop. The toaster will reduce its power consumption by 50%. It is easy to tell if the toaster is in power save mode. The belt will not be moving and the power save indicator light will be lit. To exit power save mode, press either the single or double-sided toast icons and the conveyor will begin operating. And the toaster will heat back up in just a few minutes. The TQ3-10 features Hatco's patented color guard system, which adjusts the conveyor speed based on the temperature inside the cabinet. So if the toaster is being constantly loaded, the conveyor might slow down, assuring the correct color continues to be produced. This same feature will cause the conveyor to operate more slowly as the toaster comes back from the power save mode. It will also cause the conveyor to turn more slowly during preheat when the toaster is first started. Should your toaster overheat, it is designed to turn itself off. If that happens, unplug the unit, clean and replace the incoming air filter screen, make sure the toaster isn't located next to a heat source like a stove or fryer, and reset the high limit button on the back of the unit and shown on page 9 of the owner's manual. Once reset, plug the toaster in and continue toasting. If that does not solve the issue, check the circuit breaker or any GFCIs you might have. For daily cleaning, the crumb tray that is located directly beneath the conveyor should be removed and wiped down when the toaster is cool in the morning and before it gets started. Periodically, the toaster air intake screen will need to be cleaned. Located beneath the controls, this metal screen can be removed and cleaned to increase airflow, enabling the toaster to breathe properly. This is important as it helps with toasting as well as keeps the controls cool for longer life. If you're using very moist spread, you may be seeing some carbon buildup on the conveyor. To keep that conveyor clean, get yourself a small wire brush from the hardware store, and at startup, during the conveyor's first few passes, brush that carbon off. The small bits will fall into the crumb tray, where you can remove them easily right after. Keep your eye on the reflector beneath the lower elements. While the reflector is slotted to encourage crumbs to fall through, you may wish to brush any built-up crumbs out every few months. The TQ3-10 features a powder-coated finish, which makes it the coolest toaster available. Make sure you do not use any abrasive cleaners or scrubbies on the exterior. Just a cloth with mild soap should keep it looking great for years to come. You may find your local service agent on our website. www.hatcocorp.com. Go to the Support tab, find a service agent, and enter your zip code. By the way, many of our service agents sell preventative maintenance contracts, which are a great investment. Visit the Hatco website to register your toaster. Under the Support tab and under the Warranty button, you can fill in the additional information as well as the serial number to have your unit registered. Thank you for taking the time today to learn about our TQ3-10 toasters. If you have any further questions, please feel free to visit the Hatco website at www.hatcocorp.com. Thank you and have a great day.